nation in the world, according to Bob Proctor. And I believe in this a lot. And you can, your classes can include imagination. Of course, very little children, it's very difficult. So how you can, there are different ways of taking on with this activity according to the level of the class. And for the smaller kids, if you start with the familiarity of some vocabularies, which they are already familiar with in your imagination story, that would be wonderful for them. So let's listen to a story of Dorji Lamo, who stayed in a distant village with his mom, and mom used to weave baskets out of bamboo straws. The only excitement for this little boy was a balloon man visiting their village. So he would always watch other children buying red balloon, yellow balloon, green balloon, and letting them into the air. And once he could not afford to buy that balloon. So once he saw something black on the ground, and this little boy picked it up. It was a balloon, and he dusted it off, and he went to the balloon man and said, very anxiously, very nervously, he asked the balloon man, does this black balloon of mine also fly? And the balloon man knelt down and said, of course, little one, for it's not the color of the balloon that makes it fly. It's what you put inside the balloon that makes it fly. Same is the case with our subjects also. We feel sometimes bogged down with really hard concepts which cannot be, applied. But just bring in a little bit of creativity, little bit of art, and magic happens. So with that, we start today's presentation, that is art integration for elementary classes, which is a multidisciplinary approach. I am taking Delhi as an example because Delhi is paired with state of Sikkim. And most of the activities that I'm going to share over here, whatever you can do is online. Of course, there are n number of examples which you do, which you will be must have been doing also in your class. But most of the activities that I share over here are online. So whatever we can get on with the classes and just engage our children and let learning happen, because that is our main aim. So if you are from a different state, you just have to substitute the state and do the activity. Go ahead with the activity in the same format. So Delhi is paired with the state of Sikkim. So that is why in the story I took the name Dorji Lamo, and the landscaping was also kind of a hill station because of the landscapes. So this was a story of a bamboo shoot, mustard seed in the garden, the imagination story, and let art be the helium or the propellant for your balloon, that is your subject, to soar to new heights with creativity, imagination, engagement, and learning. Here are some quotes. Art is the only serious thing in the world, and the artist is the only person who's never serious. Oscar Wilde. Everything you can imagine is real. That's all about imagination. Pablo Picasso. Art doesn't have to be pretty. It has to be meaningful. So whenever we think of art, we don't have to overdo art. We have to see how the concept has come out through whatever presentation the child has done on paper, on video, audio, anything. So the application and the understanding the concept. So that has to be really be the focus. The meaning should come out from their presentation, whatever be their presentation. Okay, when we talk about art, these are the three key words: art and the subject and the integration that will happen. So Dr. Sina ma'am has already, asked you about art. So let me also ask you one question. What is that one topic you feel that, oh my God, in this topic, I can really do something wonderful. I can integrate art in this particular topic. So what is that one topic that comes to your mind instantly where you can actually Um, Storytelling. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, wonderful. So this is what is happening over here. So what is art? Now, art is, just a minute. Art is free expression. What happened? Oh my God. Let me share the screen again. Is it okay now? Hmm? Again, huh? Okay. So what is art? Free expression, visual, music, dance, theater, and your subject. Your subject has a lot of concepts. Okay, shapes, there are colors, there are four operations, maps, environment. So all these concepts have to be there. When you take a particular class, you just think of what is the learning outcome of that you want from the children. When they do the activity, it has to be meaningful and the learning outcome has to come out really clearly in that. So what is integration? Connecting different areas of study for more engagement and meaningful activities. Here it is art and subject interdependence and application. Okay. Then we have, okay, the planning process. When you plan your classes, think of the paired state. How many of us have actually been to that paired state? If you've been to Sikkim, nothing like it. You know the hands-on information about that state. Do we know anyone who belongs to that state? Which are the places, resources, or people from where or whom I can get information about the state? So this kind of information, this is the first-hand information, which you might not find online or from Google. People information. So they will give you the real essence of that state. So these are the art patterns used in different handicrafts in Sikkim. So you'll find it in their carpets and their shawls, their bed sheets, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. And then you can go on with teaching them or shapes, 3D shapes and 2D shapes, telling them to draw. And also they can get, when if they're at home, you can always ask them to get a cylindrical object, a cubical object. There'll be a lot of waste material available at home, and so with that on that, it will be a lot of engagement happening when they have that cube in their hand. Everyone has it, different sizes, so there's a lot of engagement and interest of the children is generated through this. So they can draw those patterns, the Sikkim patterns found in Sikkim. Okay, then this is the oak tree. Oak tree is found very commonly in Sikkim. It's a common tree over there. So that's why I've taken oak tree. If your paired state is Goa, so then it will be like, coastal trees, coconut trees. So you can choose according to the paired state. So oak tree is commonly found in Sikkim. So here, this particular activity here, this picture can be sent to them through email, and with the instruction that either they take the printout. If printout is not possible, they can always draw it on paper. And when the class starts, they have this particular tree in front of them on paper, so that you can quickly give the instructions and carry on with the class. And first, you can start with the leaf. You can show them the oak tree leaf, the shape of the oak tree leaf, and you can tell them there's a pair of ducks which are golden ducks found in Sikkim. They always found in pairs. The male duck is with the collar, the black around the neck. So you can always tell them with the oak tree related to the oak tree. You can tell them about the leaf. You can blow a whistle or any material that you have just to create a sound effect in your class. Draw one leaf. Draw two leaves. Okay, and then they're listening, they're drawing. A lot of activity is happening over here, and engagement is taking place, learning is taking place, and you can tell them, and of course, subtraction and addition, multiplication, division can be done through this activity. When I talk about paper folding, so over here, can you see me? Is my video on? Is my video on? Can everyone see me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. See, now origami, you can just tell them, and it needn't be, most of the children, what they do is they get really so perturbed by, ma'am, I don't have this, I don't have that. So it's better if you feel that children don't have, start with a newspaper or any other sheet that they have, waste material they can use, and start origami class. And origami, you can always tell them, you know, when you're folding corner to corner, there's a lot of mathematics happening over here. So here also when they're folding, huh? Okay. So here also the angles, the 90-degree angles can be taught through this. Fractions can be taught through this. 1/4, as many times as you fold it. So again, engagement is taking place, learning is taking place, and art is taking place. So it's up to you how you carry on with the classes. I hope it's beneficial for you. And okay, so here we have the oak tree activity steps. So every step I have given some, like, 5 minutes. So when I did this activity, it was broken into, say, 6 parts. And every part I had timed it. So then you can never go wrong with this activity if it is planned and scheduled properly. You can go ahead with it and children just enjoy this. Okay, so for higher classes, say classes 6, 7, 8, starting point for the lesson SST. Now Sikkim, they're already familiar with the landscape, they're familiar with the map of India, they're familiar with Sikkim is somewhere, somewhere in the Himalayas, near the Himalayas, or around or in the Himalayas. So they know the location, the geographical features. So you can just tell them, okay, so what is your perception of this state, Sikkim? If you think, what does it come to you? And then they draw, give them 5 minutes to draw, and then quick video show of what they have drawn. So each one will come up with a different drawing. This is again engaging learning and imagination and art, all integrated into SST lesson. And then from there, starting point, you can start with the lesson. So that's invoking imagination through art. Before giving any information, you can just tell them to draw. So all that. And then we have okay. So here we have the art, the culture, and the nature, the natural setup of Sikkim. You can, after they share their drawings, you can share the actual setup of Sikkim. So according to the level of the class, the activity can go up to that level. So activities on food recipes. So what is the food available there? Finding it out. Then clothing apparels, the accessories, and music. How different types of musical instruments are being played over there, the dances over there. So all this can be included. And always let's think beyond paper, and let's think more of technology now. Let's think in terms of they recording something, the maybe a 1-minute speech on whatever they have researched. Just tell them to collect on a pen drive if it is possible for them, because many children, it's not possible online. So give them that freedom. of choosing technology or paper. Okay, then we have, since it's elementary, we have a lot of freedom given by CBSE over here. So we are not bound by rules as class 9 and 10 is. So we have the freedom of taking up a theme which is common to all classes. Say water. Water is there for class KG 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. And according to their level, they learn about that water uses, and then as you go higher, water cycle, lakes or the ponds or the rivers in Sikkim or Delhi, learning everything about that. Even you can go up to water pollution when you talk about science. So a lot of subjects will come into that, and presentations by senior school can be done for junior school, and children will immediately connect with the topic. And of course, the senior school children will also take pride and happiness in presenting it. They'll be happy to do that. Or if you don't want to take the same theme, you can have a different theme for each class. It's up to the management, it is up to the teachers how you plan and how you want to go ahead with this art integration. Rain songs, poems may be substituted with Sikkim, Delhi related words, so Bollywood and even Hollywood Sound of Music, all these rhymes and songs are so relatable for children. So let's bring that into our classroom and make them as lively as possible, online or offline. And then when we talk about SST, we have Sikkim and Delhi. We can show them the distance covered. Mathematics also comes in over here. And here, Sikkim, a bigger version of this map will help them. You can introduce perimeter, where they can outline the perimeter of Sikkim. So understanding perimeter, they can color the area of Sikkim, understanding area of Sikkim, and even the distance. You can connect it with different modes of transport. If you go walking, how much time will it take? Or if you go by aeroplane, how much time? So speed, distance, time, all these things can be included. It's up to you how and what you want to be included in your subject. So make a collage of flowers found in the state. So mountain flowers, poppies, orchids, gladioli. So when they color, they also get familiar with the names of the flowers, not just the common ones which are found in our area, like marigold and rose, but poppies, orchids, gladioli, these are specialities of the mountains. So let's get our children acquainted with that too. Okay, so Mount Kanchenjunga is in Sikkim, and I'll quickly sing a song for you, which I formed. Yeah, so even for this is a song in Hindi and goes with the Bollywood Hindi movie, old Hindi movie song. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें बताऊं बातें सिक्किम गैंगटॉक की, कंचनजुंगा जहां बसा है पर्वत भारत देश का, वंदे मातरम पर्वत को नमन, वंदे मातरम पर्वत को नमन. So this activity I had done in my center too, in Mind and Me, and we had gone for a plantation drive, and I had developed a song on that. I'd written a song on the same tune with Vrikshon ko naman. And you can go ahead with Jeevon ko naman, Prithvi ko naman, Phoolon ko naman. Whatever chapter is there, you can feel, okay, यहाँ पे कुछ music डाल सकते हैं, या यहाँ पर हम कुछ इसमें कुछ और कर सकते हैं, कोई एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं, बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं. So you can always do that. Okay, I call these vocabulary buildings. Again, we come back to class 6, 7, 8. Here, ask them, what do you see other than the obvious? Obviously, you see clouds, you see the sky, you see the building. They'll come up with that. Of course, the junior classes can always do that. But when it comes to senior classes, we have to increase the level. So ask them, please don't tell what you see, what comes to your mind. If I ask you, what comes to your mind other than the obvious? What are the words that you would like to share over here? Okay. Okay. So whenever okay. No. Okay. What? All right. So, modernity. Yeah. So, yeah, effective modernity. So all these. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. So, a lot of your, starting point of the lesson can come from here. Like if you're teaching adjective, look for that word and go on with the lesson. And even you can compare the landscapes of Sikkim and this. Okay, so word problems can actually have a lot of personalities. And if this is Baichung Bhutia, why? Because again, vantage point. Yeah. So word problems you can include with the state specific names and go on with the lesson. Okay, so we have here, just a minute. If Baichung Bhutia played 80 football matches and scored a total of 200 goals, how many goals per match did he score on an average? So they're getting familiar with the names in the paired state. So yes, one. Yeah. So here is a picture, and you can take, you can include names of districts in the place, in the state, and Gangtok and Sikkim and Dorji Lamo. All these names can be included. So we have a lot of art integration, infinite possibilities and infinite connections. So we need to keep exploring. And here we had something which we find in the monasteries. So, and something written on this also. What is this equipment called? Does anyone know? Any guesses? Well, I have one over here. It's used during meditation, prayer, and it is called the prayer wheel. And you can also, the scope of art integration is immense. If you talk about Devanagari, the Sikkim script is coming from Devanagari. So look at the amazing, R is similar to this R, Hindi R, and even M and no, if you do, very lot of similarities there. So you can actually tell them form words with this, like Raman or Naman, and without matras, of course, because that will go into a different level. But they will compare and write the names. So again, a lot of scope of Hindi over here because of Devanagari script. So how you take it forward, it's completely up to you in forming these words. They can write their own names if their own names don't have matras. So this is how you can take it forward. I really enjoyed presenting. I hope you enjoyed being a part of it too. Thank you so much.
So thank you, Nina, and thanks to all the participants. So we'll have the question answer session right now. So before we have the question answer, I know some of you are in a hurry, I think probably to go, but before that we have we can take up some questions. We have about 7 minutes, I think, to go. So any questions regarding art integration, we can take up those questions and discuss. And if it is possible, I'll request all of you to come on camera so that we can have before we go off, I mean, it's better that we come on camera and have a group photograph. So all those who can come on camera, I'll request you so that this becomes a proof that you've attended this. And we are going to share the full video recording tonight or probably tomorrow morning. So I think you should all come on camera if it is possible. If it is not possible, then it's okay. But this will be good for you because we are going to share this on YouTube, on Facebook, and all that. So at least some good, some remembrance, yes. So I'm going to shift the screens. Yeah, most of you are on video. Good to see everyone with smiling faces. We are all sitting at home. And we are not able to meet our friends in school, but at least this is one way. I mean, we've adapted so quickly to this, and we have come to a point where we're organizing webinars, and we are actually in a virtual world right now.
Hi, Nina. बहुत ही अच्छा.
Hello.
So just give me a minute. Let me just complete this. And yeah, thank you so much. So if you wish to remain on camera, you can remain on. We can have some questions and we can have some discussions. There was a question regarding Hindi. I just want to clarify. See, Hindi and English can be integrated with anything because whatever the maths people, science or SST people take,
yes.
you know, you always have to make reports and you'll have to always write. The language is always there. So English and Hindi is always there. So that is always a part of this. The only difficulty comes how to put math, science and SST because they have to think about a topic which covers everything. So Nina took up a good example of that map and showed the distance between Delhi and Sikkim. If you travel by different modes of transport, then time it will take. So there's a geographical aspect to it. There is a mathematical part of it. And then of course, discuss about the flora, fauna and all that. And how are they going to do it? They're obviously going to do it in the languages, Hindi or English, and English. In fact, they should be doing in both, and they can obviously stick pictures and and as I think Dr. Vibha Joshi is there as one of the participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dr. Vibha Joshi.
Doctorate in Hindi. Hello. Would you like to say a few words about Hindi and integration?
सर हिंदी को हम आर्ट के साथ भी ले सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि मैंने सर कराया था अपने 9th क्लास में. धूल चैप्टर है एक, उससे जो है मैंने मिट्टी के खिलौने बच्चों से बनवाए थे. उसको मतलब विभिन्न प्रकार के खिलौने बच्चों ने बनाए थे जो कि बहुत ही बच्चों के लिए बहुत रचनात्मक कार्य था. उसके अतिरिक्त सर सिंगिंग में भी हम ले सकते हैं किसी पोयम को, या हम जो है बच्चों को शब्द दे करके काव्य लेखन के लिए प्रेरित कर सकते हैं. तो कई सारी चीजें हैं सर, कई से उससे वो कर सकते हैं. अब जैसे लोकगीत वगैरह है तो म्यूजिक से इसे जोड़ सकते हैं. काफी सारी फील्ड है सर.
हाँ जी मैम.
It's the same as English language.
Same language में, yes ma'am. English medium.
It is same as English language. Picture reading you can एक आप picture लगा सकते हो, कोई तो picture डाल सकते हो और children can express it very well. Based on that picture, children can talk about the picture. Picture reading करवा सकते हो. Bollywood का गाना ले लो और poetry में Bollywood का गाना integrate कर दो. So that will be something very interesting for the children. All the poetries you can add some music. जैसे English है, all languages it's the same formula. English हो, हिंदी हो, या तो कन्नड़ा हो, या तो तमिल हो.
For all the languages, the activities will going to remain almost the same.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Language में, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. For all the languages, it will be absolutely same.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right, ma'am.
Karuna ma'am, she is a very creative person. She is my colleague and exceptionally talented person. Karuna ma'am, I want you to share something. Please come on camera. Karuna ma'am, can you hear me? or has she logged out?
Yeah.
We are running out of time.
Okay, we are running out of time. Anybody else wants to ask anything or share something? They are most welcome. Chitra ma'am, आप कुछ
Yes,
बोलना
sir. This
चाहोगे?
is Meenakshi. May I?
जैसे मैंने कविता कराई थी वह चिड़िया जो, इसमें बच्चों से चिड़िया बनवाए थे ऑरिगेनी पेपर से या न्यूज पेपर से भी, और बच्चों ने अपनी पसंद की किसी पेड़ पौधे या प्रकृति से रिलेटेड कविताएं लिखी थी, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे। और उनको आइडिया दिया था कि कविता, जैसे कवि ने चिड़िया के बारे में एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं और उसकी विशेषण बताए, उसकी विशेषताएं, वैसे ही वो अपनी पसंद की चीजों की विशेषताएं बताते हुए कविता लिखे। बहुत ही अच्छा निकल के आया था। कुछ बच्चों ने कमल के, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही, मैं अभी शेयर नहीं कर सकती, नहीं तो बच्चों ने कमल के फूल के बारे में लिखा था, कैसे शांत है, किस तरह से उसके पास रहकर हमें शांति मिलती है, और बहुत सुंदर लिखा था।
Excuse me, ma'am. May I share something? Meenakshi this side.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes. Excuse me, sir. If
Yes,
you
ma'am,
allow,
please.
may I?
Yes, please. Meenakshi.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sir, I just want to say, like in our school, we organize like language integration program, as well as we have like science and art integration, science and maths integration week. So as ma'am showed earlier also, we let the children sing various songs. Maybe it is water cycle, maybe whatever, and they love doing it. And we call the parents also, they do appreciate. And thank you, ma'am. It was really wonderful show. I really loved the way you started. It was really wonderful, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
There was one question. Kulpreet ma'am is asking, how can we integrate computers and art? Ma'am, आजकल तो सब कंप्यूटर के बिना कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। कंप्यूटर पे डिपेंडेंट है, इसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो रहा। बाकी मैथ, साइंस, इंग्लिश सब बेकार हो गया। So you know, as Nina suggested, they can prepare these activities on pen drives. They can make presentations, PPT बना सकते हैं, or you know, all this is actually with the help of computers. So all the
Matthew sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Matthew sir,
Yes, ma'am. Dr. Sina,
Can,
yes, please.
Yes. After the session is over, I'll just send you certain links.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So links for like, you know, story integration, how you can take up stories, how you can prepare PPTs, slides, and animations, voiceovers. So there are a lot of certain links are there. I'll send you a links for higher classes and for KG section also. I'll send you those links, and those links you can put it in the group and you can share it with the teachers.
So that's why I said that, you know, please remain in the groups, not that the session khatam ho gaya, chalo bhago group se, you know, remain in the group for 2-3 days. Whatever material, recording, everything will be available in the group. So the recording of the session plus whatever Dr. Sina ma'am and all other others have to share, they can share in the group. You can collect all those resource material for use. And as I told you, this is not the end. Actually, you should get associated with either the Delhi Teachers Forum or All India Educators Forum, because we have constant programs to, you know, meet up like this. And I think it's good that we connect like this on a platform like this. So thank you so much. I think today we have a lot of teachers from the Indian school. I'm really in the last minute, I don't know, somebody must have circulated the message there. So we have about, I think, close to 15-20 teachers today registering from the Indian school. So thank you so much, and we welcome you to the forum and hope that you're going to participate in more such webinars. Karna ma'am, are you there, or we are just winding up then?
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I think she is not able to hear. Or
Thank you. Thank you, Matthew sir, and thank you all the
thank you, ma'am.
teachers.
Thank you, everything.
Thank you, Sina ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.